So you're sick of having flat, straight hair. It can be tricky to add extra texture to your hair, to make it look a little bit thicker, and to give it a bit of a rougher and more playful, natural look. The first step to getting more texture into your hair is to do with the cut itself. If you're someone that doesn't naturally have quite a lot of texture in your normal hair, then this can be something that's critically important. The second easy way to get texture in your hair is to use a texturizing pre-styler. If you're not already using any form of pre-styler, then I would recommend it to any guy with hair. Pre-stylers are essentially products that you chuck into your hair right before using a hairdryer. Some of these can help to protect the hair strands anyway, but also they offer extra effects like increasing the volume in your hair. Or in the case of sea salt sprays like this one, they really focus on adding texture to the hair. One of my favorites is probably the Da Saltwater spray from Dadude. But I like this one because not only do you get a lot for your money, but also the texturizing effect is really strong. Tips 3 and 4 on this list are going to be a couple of different techniques that you can use with your hairbrush to increase the texture of your hair. The first one of these techniques I like to call the zigzag. For obvious reasons, essentially whilst you're drying your hair, you just make like little zigzag shapes in the top of your hair. This basically pushes the hair strands in different directions. This might not be effective if you have really long hair, however, because all you'll be doing is moving the same hair strand all the way across. But if you've got shorter hair, this works really, really nicely. Also, there's the upwards curl motion. This is normally the one that I use to sort of get my hair up at the front and then at the side of a quiff. Go from the front and then just carry this process on right to the back. Once more, incredibly easy, might be a better option if you do have slightly longer hair.